Humidities. Humidity, environmental humidity. Humidity is presence of water vapor in the atmosphere and measured in relative humidity. There are many receptors that respond to changes in the relative humidity in insects. Thin-walled basicornic pads, branched hairs, olfactory sensilla, 2 cells in some coeloconic sensilla. This is the receptor, humidity receptor. These receptors respond to change in relative humidity. Environmental humidity is very important physical factor for insects, and there are many effects of humidity. First, effect on metabolism of insects. The relative humidity affect the metabolism of insects, rate of development of insects, rate of oviposition that increases at high humidities. We can see and watch the increase in mosquito population in the rainy season because of high humidities, and decrease in population in summer because of low humidity. The relative humidity also affects the behavior of insect activity and its other activities. There is a preferred range. The preferred range of humidities of any insect may vary due to differences in its water content. To keep the insect within the preferred range of humidities, insects show particular activity and behavior. The time of survival at different relative humidities depends on the ability of the insect to maintain its water content. Saturation deficit is very important term. In egg and pupa, the duration of survival is inversely proportional to the rate of water loss and hence to the saturation deficit. The more permeable the cuticle, the lower the saturation deficit at which the insect will die. As we know, there are two limits of temperature, upper lethal limit and lower lethal limit. But there is no range of humidities outside which the insect cannot survive. The mortality of insect or insect may die because of its own internal body ability or inability and reaction inside the body. There are two aspects. At low humidities, the energy expended in maintaining the water content exert a metabolic stress, and at high humidities the insect is unable to get rid of its excess water. These are two major problems that cause the death of insects. So these are the effects of humidity, environmental humidity on insects.